Hey guys, so I got this Easter coloring toy for my little sister. It basically spins the egg around. You put it in here and then you put the cap, and it comes with markers so you could color the eggs with your kids or your little sister or brother. My little sister is gonna color it right now while it spins. She's really excited to use it. She's like, oh, like, yay. Are you ready to color it?
Yeah.
So yeah, you just put on the button right here and then you start coloring it. And it goes slow so she could pick the colors and everything instead of spinning the eggs around yourself, like in your hand. So guys, you guys could actually put regular eggs. It says that you could use grade A large or extra large eggs, and you guys could color them like it will spin it for you guys. So I think that's very cool. So guys, make sure you guys go get one of these so you could color with your kids the eggs or your little sister and brother. I think it's very cool. I think it's a very cool toy. Well, it's a decorator, but I think it's really nice, and I do recommend getting one. And it does use batteries. They don't come with it, but and it also comes with stickers, as my sister mentioned. 2 bags of stickers. So that's very neat, and the stickers are really cute too. So yeah, make sure you guys go get one, go order one, and yeah.